It's snack time with Miss Sophie Rose. How old are you, Sophie? Say, I'm 8.5 months, and I'm a big girl. I can pick up my snacks by myself. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. So many snackies. So many snacks. I know, this is fun. Don't just drop them. I'll put one in your mouth. Woohoo! Big girl! What a big girl! Big girl, my baby, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You're such a big girl. You're such a big girl. Look at all the snacks you got. Are you going to put all those snackies in your mouth? You got one stuck in your hand. Oh, whoa, that is a huge snack. That is a big one. That is a big one. It's so big. You going to put that in your mouth? Are you going to? That would be funny. Are you going to do it? Can you show Mama? Oh, Mama. Put it in your mouth. That's too many snacks. That's too many. Get it. Get it in there. Oh, yeah, you use your tongue. You gotta use your tongue. Oh, you almost had it. You almost had it. Here, let Mama help you. Stuck in your hand. Ah! Snack came in your mouth. So, Mama. Can you show everybody how you say it? Sophie, can you say Mama? Mama? Look at that pretty girl eating her snack. Mama. Mama, you like this big snack. Can you get it? Look. Big girl, you did it! Mum, that's good, Mum. Mum. What? That is too many snackies. Now you have 2 snacks in your mouth. You don't need all those snacks. You don't need all those snacks. You don't need all those. Get one. Good job! Good work! You did it! Mama! Don't put so many snackies in your mouth. That's too many. Now you got like 4 in there. That's way too many. Sophia! That's too many snacks, you goofball. What are you looking at? You love those placemats. You like to scratch them, don't you? Yeah. Say, Mama. Or let's drink some Wawa. Good job, baby. Good work, big girl. That's a lot of Wawa. No! Oh, no, you almost ate the phone. Eat your snacks. Eat your snacks, not the telephone, Goofy. Whoa, that's a lot of snackies. That's a lot of snacks. Yeah. Hey, puppy. put it in? Almost. You got to get all your fingers in there because it's stuck in the middle. Can you get it? Look, Sophie. Mama. Yeah. Mama. Mama. Got it. Mama. Gooby goobs. Wah. Mama. 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 Come get you. I got you, Sophie. Give me that pig. Give me the pig. Give me that pig. Oh, that's too funny. Mommy said I can't take it. I can't take it. My snack? Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. See you next time. See you next time.